Hey guys, thanks for checking into another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander and just going to show you how to change the cabin filter. Undo the glove box, and we can see down the side there that we have the strut. Just need to pop that off, just like that, and then in the side, one tag and the other tag. So you want to squeeze that in. Not easy with two hands. We'll just pop that glove box down. There's the cabin filter that shows behind there. So you want to just pull this tag back. It's got the same tag on both sides. Notice the direction of airflow on this filter. Some cabin filters will have like a charcoal element to them. So this one is obviously pretty dirty. You can see that black dark looking stuff in there. That's the charcoal that I was telling you about. Basically that's odor neutralizing, so we need the air flowing through there for that to work. So I'll get a new cabin filter and we'll pop it back in. So we got the go ahead, nice new filter, same brand and everything. Obviously a lot cleaner than the other one. Not sure, this is a couple of hours later. Don't think I actually showed you the inside of it, but yeah, like I was saying, we need to have the airflow so it blows through this charcoal, and it's basically odor neutralizing. So you can pop that back in there, just like that, and we get our cover. This should have direction on it as well. Oh, no, not this one. You'll find that some of them will only go one way, so we can hook that over that side and it should just push on. Just like that. So we can put our glove box back up. Make sure that's on properly. And then we should just be able to push it up and they'll push themselves in. Just like that. And not forgetting our strut. Just want to pull it down. And it's easy as pushing it over like that. Beautiful. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you out in any way, or if you liked it, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel. That'd be greatly appreciated, and we'll catch you at the next one.